Hi guys! Today we will see how to replace the RAM of a laptop. First I unplug the power supply and take off the battery. After that you remove the screws holding the lower covers. They may be different from the video. Here you can see the hard drive, the network card and the RAM cards. Also there are several of these models. To replace them, just press the two levers on each side and sticks will come out. In the same way, we can replace the RAM with the other compatible and reassemble the covers. Okay guys, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel for don't miss the future videos.